Good morning, grade 4. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? So we have come to the end of chapter 9. I hope all of you are thorough with all the concepts and the exercises we learned in this chapter. So today we'll see the revision station questions from page number 138. All of you please turn to that page. Now let's move on to the first question. Question number 1. Match the following. You can see a set of 6 questions in the left side column. You have to match them with the equivalent units of measurements in column on the right side. So you do this as an activity. As an example, we'll do one in the class. So the first one, 1028 centimeter. And let's find out the equivalent measurement here in the right side column. 1028 centimeter is equal to 1 meter 28 centimeter. So we have already learned how to convert one unit of measurement into another unit of measurement. So please go through that concept once again and then you can easily do these conversions. So you do this as an activity now. Please pause this video, finish the activity and come back. Hope you are done with that exercise. Now let's discuss each question one by one. So the first one we have already seen in class, 1028 centimeter is equal to 1 meter 28 centimeter. Now the next question is 2128 gram, and which is the correct match for it? 2128 gram is equal to 2 kilogram 128 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 2000 gram will be equal to 2 kilogram, and there we have 128 gram here. Now the second one, question say is 2 kilogram 108 gram. So which is the correct match for it? This is equal to 2108 grams. We know 2 kilogram is equal to 2000 gram plus this 108 gram. That equals a total of 2108 grams. Now question D, we have 1028 milliliters. 1028 milliliter is equal to 1 liter 28 milliliter. So we know 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So we have the 1000 milliliter written as 1 liter here and the 28 milliliter written here. So that is the correct match for the question. Question E, 128 centimeter. So for that, which is the correct match, 128 centimeter is equal to 1 meter 28 centimeter. How did we write that? We know 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now what is left? 28 centimeter is left, that we have written here. So I hope this is clear to you. Now the last one, 1 liter 208 milliliter. So which is the correct match for it? 1 liter 208 milliliter is equal to 1208 milliliter in total. So we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter plus this 208 milliliter, which equals a total of 1208 milliliter. So this is clear to you, I hope. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Choose the approximate measure. You can see a set of 5 pictures here and 2 choices are given for each picture. So you have to choose the approximate measurement of each of the picture given there. The first one, you can see a cat, and how much do you think a cat may weigh? Is it 2 kilogram or 200 kilogram? A cat may weigh 2 kilograms. What about an elephant? Would it weigh 400 kilogram or just 400 milligram? It may weigh 400 kilogram. Now the third one, a kite. You can see the picture of a kite here. What do you think is its length? Would it be 30 meter or 30 centimeter? It would be 30 centimeter. Now what about the fourth picture? You can see a pen drive here. I'm sure all of you have seen a pen drive. There we have 5 meter and 5 centimeter. How much do you think is its length? Would it be 5 meter or 5 centimeter? It would be 5 centimeter. Now the last one, there you can see a packet of milk. Would it have a capacity of 1 liter or just 1 gram? It would have a capacity of 1 liter. So I hope these questions are clear to you. Let's move on to the third question. We have a word problem here. If a basket full of vegetables weighs 14 kilogram 900 gram and the weight of the empty basket is 800 gram, what is the weight of the vegetables? So what is mentioned in the question? There is this basket and this basket is full of vegetables. So the total weight of this basket with the vegetables is given as 14 kilogram 900 gram. And also the weight of the empty basket is given, which is equal to just 800 gram. Now how do we find out what is the weight of these vegetables inside the basket? So we know the whole weight, the total weight, and we know the weight of the empty basket. So if we subtract these two measurements, we'll get the weight of the vegetables, right? So let's write this test from the data given in the question. Weight of the basket with vegetables is equal to 14 kilogram 900 gram. And weight of the empty basket is equal to 800 gram. Now the weight of the vegetables will be equal to weight of the basket with vegetables minus weight of the empty basket. So substituting the measurements, here we have 14 kilogram 900 gram minus 800 gram. So what is the first step to do the subtraction? Write the given measurements in proper columns of units. So there we have written the measurements in the correct columns of units, and here we have 14 in the kilograms column, 900 gram in the grams column, and we have 800 gram to be subtracted from it, which is written in the grams column. So right now let's do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, it is 0, again 0, 9 minus 8 is 1. So in the grams column we have 100 grams. Now what about the kilograms column? Here we have 14 and here there is no number in the kilograms column. So you can take it as 14 minus 0 or 14 kilogram. So what is the weight of the vegetables? The weight of the vegetables is equal to 14 kilogram 100 gram. Hope this is clear to you. Now the next one, question number 4. The height of one building is 35 meter 65 centimeter and that of another building is 27 meter 65 centimeter. What is the total height of the two buildings taken together? So what is given in the question? We have a building which is how much? 35 meter 65 centimeter, and we have another building which is equal to having a height of 27 meter 65 centimeter. Now you are asked to find out the total height of the two buildings taken together, which means you have to add the two given heights. So let's write the steps first. The height of the first building is equal to 35 meter 65 centimeter, and the height of the second building is equal to 27 meter 65 centimeter. So the total height will be equal to height of the first building plus height of the second building. Now here we have the proper measurements substituted. So let's do the addition in the working column. So which are the units here? Meters and centimeters. So we have a column for meter and we have a column for centimeter. So the 35 meter from this goes to the meter column and 65 goes to the centimeter column. The next measurement 27 goes in the meter column and 65 goes in the centimeter column. So start adding the numbers. So 5 plus 5, it is equal to 10. We have a carryover here. Now 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 plus 1, 13. So we write that 3 here and carry over 1 to the next place. So understand that when we added these two in the centimeter column, we got a total of 130 centimeters, which is equal to 100 centimeters plus 30 centimeter. So we write that 30 centimeter in the centimeter column and carry over the 100 centimeter to the meter column. Why? Because 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So when you are carrying over this one from this 13 to the meter column, you are actually carrying over 100 centimeters or 1 meter to the meter column. So just keep this in mind. Now here we have 5 plus 7, 12 plus 1, 13. A carry over here. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So what is the sum of the two heights? The total height of the two buildings taken together is equal to 63 meter 30 centimeter. Hope this is clear to you. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. Convert the metric measures as indicated, and you have there a set of 12 questions given there for converting from one unit to another. The first question is 4430 centimeter into meter and centimeter. So you are given a measurement in terms of centimeters, which you have to convert into a combination of meter and centimeter. So let's do this one now. So 4430 centimeters, you are supposed to convert that in terms of meters and centimeters. So what is 1 meter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So since 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, let's split the given measurement in such a way that we can easily convert the centimeters to meters. So here we have split the given measurement. 4430 centimeters is equal to 4400, which is a multiple of this 100 plus the 30 centimeter. So right now we have 4400 centimeter plus 30 centimeter. Now what is this 4400 centimeter? If 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, 4400 centimeter will be equal to how much? It will be equal to 44 meter. How can we write that? 4400 can be written as 44 into 100 centimeter, and that is 44 into 1 meter, which is the equivalent of 100 centimeter. So we have 44 into 1, that is 44 meters. So here we have this part converted in terms of meters, and this is equal to 44 meters plus the 30 centimeter we already have in the question. So 4430 centimeter is equal to 44 meter 30 centimeter. So I hope this conversion was clear to you. Now similarly, you have to complete all the other 11 questions from the question number 5. Now moving on to the next one, question number 6. Add the following, and you have 2 questions given there. Let's work out the first one now. You have to add 43 liters 342 milliliters and 15 liters 654 milliliters. So after writing them in proper columns of units, let's do the addition. So in the milliliters column we have 2 plus 4 equals 6, 4 plus 5 9, 3 plus 6 9. So here it is 996 milliliters. Now here in the liters column we have 3 plus 5 8 and 4 plus 1 5. So what is the total? The sum is equal to 58 liters 996 milliliters. So similarly, you can complete question B yourself. So make sure you are completing all these questions in your notebook, and then you have to move on to the next page, page number 139. So there you can see a worksheet. You have to do the worksheet as a homework for the day. And children, so we have done all the exercises from this chapter 9, metric measures. I hope all the concepts are clear to you. Now that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, bye.